Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about creating dot plots. Last time we just talked about how you read dot plots. So it says, Harold asked classmates how many days they were away on vacation during the summer break. The results are right here. So these are all of the results, and we are going to first put that information into a table, and then we are going to make a dot plot down here. So when I look at this, what I first should look at is what is the range of my data. So the lowest number of days people spent on vacation was 0, and the highest was 9. Those are small numbers, so I can just count by 1. So I'm going to write my values. I could have a 0, I could have a 1, I could have a 2, I could have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now what I noticed is last time on the last assignment with dot plots, some people kind of lost track of some of their numbers. So, or no, it was when we were making histograms. So here, I'm going to suggest that we make tallies. So I look at the first one. The first one is a 5. So I'm just going to put an X here that I have 1 5. And then I have a 9. So I'm just going to put an X here. You could put any symbol you wanted. And then I have a 3. And then I have a 0. And then I have a 1. And then a 4. And now look, we have 2 5s. And then a 0. And then a 4. So I have another 4. And then a 2. And then 2 3s. And then a 2. A 5. A 6. An 8. A 3. A 5. A 4. A 1, and then a 9. Okay, and I could count to make sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Actually, that's hard to count with my X's like that. So we'll count at the end. Okay, now we are going to make our dot plot down here. So the values at the bottom are going to be these, and then this is going to be however many dots we're going to have. So I'll start it here at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dots, and there's 2 ways you could think about it. If you wanted to not have to drag this down every time, you could go down here and copy and paste and get a variety of dots and then move them around. It's up to you. So if I look here, I need 2 dots above 0. So there's 1, and then here's another one. And then we need 2 dots above 1. So again, you could drag them from the top, or if you want to just kind of copy and paste them down here, that can work as well. So then we have 2 1s. We're going to have 2 2s. So maybe I'll just copy and paste 2 of them down here. So 2, here's another one, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 3s. So maybe I'll bring these over. 1, there's 2, and then I need 2 more. Oh no, oh no. And we should try to make them kind of as even as possible, but it's not going to be super possible. All right, and then above 4, we have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I wish I knew. And then for 5, it's kind of hard for me to see, so I'm just put spaces in here. So we have 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why they're going all the way down there, but it's okay. So there's 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're almost done. At 6, we have 1. Let me try copying and pasting it here. I don't even know where it went. So I'm just gonna now track this down. So at 6, we have 1. At 7, we have 0, so we're just gonna leave it completely blank. At 8, we have 1. And then at 9, we have 2. Okay, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and I can count the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you should check. You should have the same number of dots as you have numbers up here, and you could also have just dragged these dots down instead. It actually seems kind of easier. Some of us are not great at remembering labels. I need you to remember your labels. So this dot plot is asking how many days classmates were away on summer break. So the number of days students were on vacation during summer break. And the label down here will just be number of days. So the label down here tells you less information, and it's just about what each one of these units are. Up here is the whole context. So all you have to do today is make two dot plots here. You'll fill in the tables, make sure that you move your dots, and make sure that you also have labels. If you have any questions, then come to today's Zoom meeting. Thank you.